Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially Sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we'll be making a pineapple drink. Ingredients for the drink are 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, ginger, 3 large pineapples, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then for the syrup we'll be using 1 cup of white sugar, 250 grams of purified water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and a thumb-sized ginger. We will also be using 1 tablespoon of strawberry flavoring essence. Let's begin by making the syrup. In a small saucepan, add the water, the sugar, and then the ginger. Give everything a good mix until the sugar dissolves completely. When the sugar dissolves, add in the vanilla essence and then stir everything together. Then allow it simmer for about 2 minutes and take it off the source of heat. Pour the syrup into a glass bowl and allow it to cool off the steam for about 10 minutes. Moving on to the washing and peeling of the pineapples. In a bowl of water, add 1 tablespoon of the vinegar and then mix it with the water. Now place in the pineapples one at a time and then wash them thoroughly. Don't forget the ginger as well. Peel the ginger, wash it, and then set it aside. Now peel the pineapples. Get rid of any dark spots on the pineapple. With the aid of the knife, divide the pineapple into 4 parts and then chop it into cubes. Fetch everything into a bowl and set it aside. After that, chop the ginger and add it to the chopped pineapples. The blender has already been washed, but I'm going to rinse it once again. Add into the blender the chopped pineapple pieces and the ginger pieces. After that, pour in the syrup and then blend until smooth. Now pour the blended pineapple juice into a sieve and then sift it to get rid of the plum in it, but you could also enjoy it just as it is. I used the spoon to speed up the sifting process because it was taking too long to get everything out of the sieve. add in the second batch of the pineapple juice and then sift it as well. After that, use the spoon to press down the plum in it to get rid of any juices that might be in it, and then dispose it off. Our pineapple drink is halfway done. Here you can add in the flavoring agents, either the strawberry or the vanilla. I decided to try both out and see the difference, and indeed there was a difference. With the strawberry flavoring essence, it was so nice in the drink as compared to the vanilla essence, so I'd recommend that. But you could also try both out and see, because everyone has a different taste bud. These are the pineapple drinks. The one in the larger jug has the strawberry flavoring essence and the other one has the vanilla. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Guys, subscribing to the channel is a way to promote my content to so many people, and this will also help us get equipment that we need to promote this business as well. So I'll be very grateful if you could subscribe right now if you are new here. Kindly join the beloved Caters family, and I promise you wouldn't regret it. Until we meet again, everyone, bye bye.